my god, they smell so nice. This is actually like my favorite flowers. I've never had flowers that smell like that, you know. Very, very strong and just delicious. I love them. I love these flowers. Oh my, got me just what I needed at the right time. Oh my god, baby. This is beautiful. Wow.
Beautiful flowers for a beautiful lady.
Let's put these things on the vase. On the vase. Tonight Bill is preparing mandazis. They're called mandazis. They're called mahamri. Yeah, he's preparing mahamri for tonight as dessert, and also maybe morning for breakfast. This is it. These are the mandazis that he's going to prepare for us. As he's doing that, let me remove these flowers and put them in the vase.
We don't need this much flour. This is what happens with you. One cup of flour.
We're gonna start by putting the flour food. This one. Yeah. They give you this one when you buy it.
Double the recipe.
Oh yeah? Very nice. It still has the spikes on it, so I'm gonna be very careful. Going to be very careful. That's a good height. Probably. Let's cut it again. Yeah, it should be fine. I normally like removing this part here, like that, so that it's, you see the dark ones? Yeah. So when it pops up, it just pops up. So I'm not going to be throwing these ones away. I'm going to put them in the bathtub when I take my bath. So yeah, we're going to save them all. So one bag down, one more bag to go. Yes. Look at that. Look at how beautiful they look. And they smell delicious. They smell amazing. I just love them. These are my go-to flowers, you know. You cannot convince me with anything else. This is it. This is the real deal. Okay, so we're gonna put them here, enjoy them, and they stay for like 2 weeks. Yeah, so let us enjoy them for 2 weeks. Then we're gonna buy other ones, you know, the white ones, white roses. Just as pretty as these ones. Ciao! It has a lot of like enough sugar.
The tea? Whoa. Why is it so... What the hell?
It's spicy.
It's spicy. It kicks me in the back of the head. Give me brain damage.
Brain damage.
It tastes like I'm sucking on a piece of ginger.
No, I make for you cocoa or what?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a little too strong for me.
It's too strong for him. Let's take it back. You made a mistake. Made it too strong.